Hi students, welcome to the next session. Already in integration chapter we finished 3 volumes. Now today we'll discuss the volume number 4 in integration chapter. Now the first question, integral 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx. So this question we can use a shortcut formula in JEE also. So you need to remember the answer for this one. So how to simplify this? Simple. Let x power n plus 1 is equal to t. From this we can write x power n is equal to t minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Now x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Then n into x power n minus 1 can be written as x power n by x dx is equal to dt. Now from this we can write 1 by x dx is equal to 1 by n into x power n dt. Now 1 by x dx equals to 1 by n into 1 by x power n, that is x power n value is t minus 1, then 1 by t minus 1 dt. Substitute this value in the given question. Now I is equal to integral 1 by n into 1 by t minus 1 into, in place of x power n plus 1 we can substitute t dt. But here 1 by n constant, you write the constant outside. Now what is remaining? 1 by t into t minus 1. For this numerator 1, I can write t minus 1 I can write, because t gets cancelled, minus of minus plus 1 will get. By denominator t into t minus 1 dt. If you divide separately, I equals to 1 by n into, if you divide t by this, tt gets cancelled, 1 by t minus 1. If you divide the second term by the denominator, t minus 1 cancel, 1 by t dt. Then I equals to 1 by n into integration of 1 by t minus 1 log t minus 1. Integration of 1 by t log t plus c. It is in the form of log a minus log b, that is log of a by b. Then answer can be written as log t minus 1 by t plus c. Then last step, I equals to 1 by n into log, in place of t minus 1 we can write x power n, by, in place of t we can write x power n plus 1 plus c. This is answer for question number 1. We are using, it is a shortcut formula for this some questions in JEE. Okay. Next we will discuss the second question. Integral under root of 1 plus sine x by 2 dx. Okay. How to find this? Simple. Integral 1 plus sine x by 2 can be written as 2 into x by 4 we can write, because 2 1 just 2 2 just cancel. It is in the form of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta cos theta dx. In place of 1 I can write sine square theta plus cos square theta. Then sine square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4 plus 2 sine x by 4 cos x by 4. Now this value can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, that is square and root gets cancelled, then we'll get sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4 dx. Sine integration is minus cos x by 4. By inner function x by 4 derivative 1 by 4. Cos x by 4 integration is sin x by 4. By inner function x by 4 derivative 1 by 4 plus. This 1 by 4 go to numerator becomes 4. Okay. Then we can write minus 4 cos x by 4 plus sin x by 4 plus c, that is answer for question number 2. Okay. Next we will discuss third question. Integral dx by 1 plus e power x into 1 plus e power minus x. Okay. How to evaluate this integration? Integral 1 by 1 plus e power x into 1 plus e power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x dx. If you take the LCM, then integral 1 by 1 plus e power x into, here LCM is what? E power x. E power x into 1 e power x plus 1 dx. Now this e power x will go to numerator, then e power x by 1 plus e power x, 1 plus e power x, we can write 1 plus e power x whole square we can write. Okay. Now how to find this one? Simple. I am taking 1 plus e power x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 derivative 0, e power x derivative e power x, that equals dt by dx. From this we can write e power x dx equals to dt. Substitute this value in this step. Now I is equal to integral 1 by t square dt. 1 by t square is nothing but t power minus 2. T power minus 2 dt. It is in the form of x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is nothing but minus 1 by t plus c. That equals to minus 1 by, in place of t we can substitute 1 plus e power x plus c. That is answer for question number 3. Okay. Next we will discuss question number 4. In question number 4, integral dx by x into x power 7 plus 1. Already we discussed the first question. I am using that first question. Okay. I am writing the shortcut formula for this type of questions. Integral 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by n log of x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. Now if you compare these two, in place of n what is there? 7 is there. Therefore the answer 1 by 7 log of x power 7 by x power 7 plus 1 plus c. Okay. That is nothing but this is the final answer. If you don't know this formula, this solution is very lengthy to solve. That's why you remember this is a shortcut formula for question number 4. Next we will discuss next question, that is question number 5. Okay, fifth question. Let's see what is the fifth question. Fifth question is integral 1 plus tan x by e power minus x into cos x dx. Okay, that equals to integral 1 plus tan x by cos x into e power minus x go to numerator, it becomes e power x. That equals to e power x into 1 plus tan x into this cos x comes to numerator, it becomes secant x dx. Now simplify this. Integral e power x into 1 into secant x plus tan x into secant x dx. This is f of x, this is f dash x. Why? Because secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. If you apply the formula, you will get answer e power x into f of x plus c. That is answer for question number 5. Next, we will discuss 6th question. Integral sin 2x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Sin 2x by 1 plus cos square x dx. For this question I am taking denominator value is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 derivative 0. Cos square x derivative 2 cos x. Again cos x derivative minus sin x. That equals to dt by dx. Minus I will write outside. 2 sin x cos x is formula for sin 2x dx is equal to dt. If you multiply both sides with minus, then what will you get? Sin 2x dx is equal to minus dt. Substitute this step in the given problem, then what you can write? Minus I will write outside 1 by t dt. Minus 1 by t integration log t plus c. Finally, in place of t we can substitute 1 plus cos square x minus log t value 1 plus cos square x plus c. That is answer for question number 6. Okay. Next, we will discuss the 7th question. Integral dx by x into x power 6 minus 16. This 1 by x I am writing x square by x cube, because square cube cancel, then x is remaining, by under root of x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square minus 16 can be written as 4 whole square dx. Let x cube is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X cube derivative 3x square equals to dt by dx. From this we can write x square dx equals to 1 by 3 dt. Substitute this step in this. Then what will get? I is equal to 1 by 3 constant 1 by t into under root of t square minus 4 square dt. So we have one formula in integration. I am writing the formula. Integral 1 by under root of x into under root of x square minus a square is equal to secant inverse of x by a plus c. Now if you apply the formula, that equals to 1 by 3 into secant inverse of t by 4 plus c. But in place of t we can substitute x cube. I equals to 1 by 3 into secant inverse of t value is x cube by 4 plus c. That is answer for question number 7. Next we will discuss question number 8. What is question number 8? Integral cosecant x by cos square of 1 plus log tan x by 2 dx. For this question I am taking 1 plus log tan x by 2 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x, tan derivative secant square, x by 2 derivative 1 by 2, that equals to dt by dx. 1 by tan, that is nothing but cot. Cot can be written as cos by sin. Secant square is nothing but 1 by cos square. then 1 by 2 dx equals to dt. Now cos and square cancel. Then 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, that is nothing but sin x dx is equal to dt. 1 by sin x is nothing but cosecant x dx equals to dt. Substitute this value in the given step, then what we can write? I equals to 1 by cos square t dt. Cos square t is nothing, 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square t dt. Secant square integration tan t plus c. In place of t, what we can substitute? 1 plus log tan x by 2. Then I is equal to tan of 1 plus log tan x by 2 plus c. That is answer for question number 8. Next, we'll discuss ninth question in this. What is the ninth question? Integral 1 by 1 plus cos 8x dx. See how to solve this one. Integral 1 by 1 plus cos 8x can be written as 2 into 4x. What is the formula for 1 by 1 plus cos 2 theta formula? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now minus 1 cancel. 1 by 2 I will write outside. 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square 4x dx. Secant square x integration tan 4x by inner function 4x derivative 4 plus c. Therefore answer tan 4x by 2 4 just 8 plus c. That is answer for question number 9. Next we will discuss question number 10. Integral x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole power 5 dx. Simple. This numerator is in the form of a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. It can be written as a plus b whole cube x plus 1 whole cube by x plus 1 whole power 5. After cancellation, what will get? 1 by x plus 1. Here 3 times is there, here 5 times is there, cancel, still 2 times is there. These 2 go to numerator, x plus 1 whole power minus 2 dx. It is in the form of integration of x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. That is answer for question number 10. Next, we will discuss the 11th question. Integral x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 dx. How to solve this? Integral x square, this plus 1 I can write minus 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 dx. Divide separately. X square minus 1 cancel. Then 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 dx. Now integrate separately. Integral 1 dx plus 2 constant integral 1 by x square minus 1 square dx. 1 integration x plus 2 into, it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square minus a square, that is nothing but 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now 2 gets cancelled. Then what is remaining? X plus log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. That is answer for question number 11. Next, we will discuss 12th question. What is the 12th question? Integral sin x by sin x minus alpha dx is equal to ax plus b log sin x minus alpha plus c. This is a given question. Now we need to find a value and b value. To find a value and b value, we need to simplify the LHS. What is LHS? LHS equals to integral Sine, here what is there? X is there. I can write this x is x minus alpha plus alpha. Because alpha cancel, we will get on. Then sine x minus alpha dx. Now observe this numerator. It is in the form sine of, this is a, this is b. Sine a plus b. What is sine a plus b formula? Sine a cos b. A means x minus alpha, b means alpha. Sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. By denominator sin x minus alpha dx. If you divide separately, sin x minus alpha cancel, then what is remaining? Cos alpha remaining. If you divide this by this, cos by sin, cot x minus alpha into sin alpha dx. Now integrate separately. Integral cos alpha dx plus integral cot of x minus alpha into sin alpha dx. Here so many students are doing mistake, cos alpha integration sin alpha. No, here we are integrating with respect to x. That's why cos alpha constant, then 1 dx. Here also sin alpha constant, then cot x minus alpha. Then cos alpha into 1 integration x plus sin alpha into cot x integration log of sin theta plus c. Now compare this RHS and answer. Here AX is there. Here cos alpha into x is there. Compare A is equal to cos alpha. Now here B log sin x minus alpha. Here sin alpha log x minus alpha. In place of B we have sin alpha. Then B equals to sin alpha. Then finally we got A value and B value. That is answer for question number 12. Okay. Next. We will discuss 13th question. It is little lengthy but JEE level question. Ax square minus b by x into under root of c square x square minus ax square plus b whole square dx. Okay. To solve this question, in numerator I am taking x square common. Then a minus b by x square by x into under root of c square x square minus, in the bracket you can take x common. Then what will get? Ax plus b by x whole square dx. Okay. Then x square into a minus b by x square by x into under root of c square x square minus x having square, that becomes x square, then ax plus b by x whole square dx. We can take x square common in the root. Then x square into a minus b by x square by x into, if you take x square common in the root, the x square comes out of the root, it becomes x by c square minus ax plus b by x whole square dx. Now x square, x into x cancel. Now what you can do? Ax plus b by x is equal to t. Substitution method. Now differentiate ax derivative a plus b into 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square equals to dt by dx. Then substitute a minus b by x square dx equals to dt. This term is present in the question. Now the question is changed to 1 by under root of c square minus t square dt. 1 by under root of a square minus x square formula, sine inverse of x by a plus c. Finally substitute t value. What is t value? Ax plus b by x by c plus c. If you take LCM, sine inverse of ax square plus b by cx plus c, that is answer for the question, and it is very very important in JEE. Next, we will discuss 14th question. Integral 1 by under root of 2x minus x square dx. See, for this question, we can take minus common inside. 1 by under root of, if you take minus common, what will get? X square minus 2x dx. We need to convert this one in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. That's why integral 1 by under root of minus of x square minus 2x, add 1, subtract 1. Then integral 1 by under root of minus of, in place of this first 3 I can write a minus b whole square minus 1 dx. If you multiply with minus, these two values will be interchanged. Then 1 by under root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. What is the formula for integral 1 by under root of 1 minus x square? Answer will be equal to sin inverse x plus c. That is answer for question number 14. Next, 15th question. Integral sin x cos x by under root of 1 minus sin power 4x dx. Okay, how to find the value of this? Simple. The value which is present in root, it can be written as sin x cos x by under root of 1 minus the sin power 4x, I can write sin square x whole square dx. Now I can take sin square x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin square x derivative 2 sin x, again another function sin x derivative cos x, that equals to dt by dx. From this we can write sin x cos x dx equals to 2, come to this side 1 by 2 dt. Now substitute this value in the question, then 1 by 2 into 1 by under root of 1 minus t square dt. What is the formula for integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus t square? Sin inverse t. Then 1 by 2 into sin inverse t plus c, that is answer for this question. Then 1 by 2 into sin inverse of, in place of t, what we can write? Sin square x plus c, that is answer for question number 15. Next, we will discuss question number 16 in integration chapter. Okay. Okay. Now we'll discuss 16th question integration chapter. Sixteenth question. Integral dx by x square plus 2x plus 2. See, this one can be written as integral 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 can be written as plus 1 dx. That equals integration of 1 by 1 plus this x square plus 2x plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. That is nothing but tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. That is answer for 16th question. Next, we will discuss 17th question. Next, we will discuss 17th question. Integral dx by x plus 100 into root of x plus 99 is equal to f of x plus c. Then we need to find f of x. Simple. For this question, I need to take root of x plus 99 is equal to t. Squaring on both sides, x plus 99 is equal to t square. Adding 1, then x plus 100 is equal to t square plus 1. Now differentiate. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Send to that side. 1 by under root of x plus 99 dx equals to 2 dt. substitute this in the given question, then I is equal to 2 constant, then in place of x plus 100 we can write t square plus 1 dt. Then integral 1 by 1 plus t square is nothing but tan inverse t plus t. Then I equals to 2 tan inverse, in place of t, under root of x plus 99 plus e. You compare this step and this step. In place of f of x, what we have? Therefore f of x equals to see here, under root of x plus 99 equals to t, squaring on both sides, t square will be there, but plus 1 will be there, t square plus 1. T square plus 1 is nothing but tan inverse t. Tan inverse t is the answer. Therefore we can write f of x equals to 2 tan inverse under root of x plus 99. That is answer for question number 17.